Hello students, welcome to the world of science. We'll start with the first lesson for 6th standard science, that is food. Where does it come from? We'll quickly go through the contents of the lesson. We'll start with the introduction of what is food, followed by why do we need food. We'll see what are the variety of food which is available. What are the ingredients that make up a particular kind of food, food material and their sources, and the types of animals based on their food habits. We'll start with the first part of the lesson, food and food variety. We know that in order to survive, all of us need food. So, what is the definition of food? We can say that food is anything which an animal, plant, or human eats to nourish their body for proper growth and maintenance. So, now we know that food is an edible substance which sustains life. What does edible mean? It means anything which is good or safe to eat or drink. Thus, food is the fuel which helps in the functioning of our body. Being an essential part of our life, we need to know its importance. Let's see what are the various reasons for which we need to have food. First and foremost, it provides energy. It is needed for the growth of our body. It helps in maintaining a healthy body. It maintains the body functions. It also helps in healing of wounds. Foods such as whole grains, nuts, fruits, etc. provide us with energy. Milk, egg, cheese, vegetables, etc. help in the growth of our body. All the vegetables and fruits help in maintenance of our body. Food helps in the functions of our body such as beating of heart, maintenance of body temperature, muscle contraction, water balance, clotting of blood, and removal of waste products. Turmeric, fruits, food rich in vitamin C, honey, dairy products are some of the foods which help in healing of wounds. Different kinds of food are made of different kinds of ingredients. So, what is an ingredient? It is a part of a mixture that is added to make a dish. For example, when we cook rice, the ingredients required are rice and water. Similarly, when we make a vegetable curry, it requires vegetables, spices, salt, oil, etc., which may come from an animal, plant, or sea, like the salt which is obtained from the sea. Vegetables, spices, and oil come from a plant source. If butter or ghee is used, it comes from an animal source. Thus, we can see that food ingredients used to make a dish may be few or many. As we have seen that when we cook rice, it requires only two ingredients, that is rice and water, whereas vegetable curry requires many ingredients. Why do we see a variety in food? Do you know? It's there for two purposes. First, being the change required from the same kind of dish being repeated again. People may get bored of eating the same kind of food every day. The other and most important purpose is to provide the necessary nutrients required to keep a person healthy. We can see there is a lot of variety in food ranging across north, south, east and west part of our country. Similarly, it can be seen in various parts of the world. Like we have dhokla from Gujarat, idli sambar in the south, chole bhature of Punjab and masala bhat of Maharashtra. We have pasta and pizza from Italy, chow mein from China, and shawarma from Middle Eastern countries. The summary of what we have learned today is: what is food? Food is anything that an animal, plant, or human eats or drinks for the growth and maintenance of their body. Secondly, food is needed for energy, growth, maintaining health, for body functions, and healing of wounds, followed by food ingredients, which are part of a mixture added to make a dish. It can be few or many in number. Lastly, food variety, which is needed for a change and for the nutrients to keep a person healthy. Food variety can be seen throughout India and the world over.